Another gift from Alcia. Ma'am Laura from Dearest Arlene, Merry Christmas, prosperous New Year. Thank you very much for all your help. We appreciate you very much. Gratefully yours.